Okay, good morning guys. Let's have a little lesson about plumbing utilities this morning. So I am showing now one branch of a particular CR just to have a quick review. So this pipe here extending up is actually the vent through roof. So this is where the venting system, so that efficiency of waste discharge will be attained. And this one is your floor drain, one set of floor drain in between the lavatory and water closet. So aside from this being a vent through roof, this is also where the stub out of the lavatory will be put in place at around 80 to 90 range level from the floor. So now this becomes what we know in practice as wet vent, because at the same time it is functioning as a lavatory drain. So by the way, the black pipes are for water line preparation. So extending at the bottom, which the plumber still performing, is the stub outs going to the floor drain and the clean out which extends to the wall. So the clean out will extend beyond at the back of that wall. At the back of that wall, by the way, is a staircase. So every time there's a required maintenance, you just open the clean out at that point and then do your maintenance. So right now the plumber is working on the floor drain. You notice that the embedded fitting for the floor drain should always be P-trap, no? So he's preparing to cut the hub. Okay lang, padayon lang. Okay ra. Cutting the connecting hub to slice the P-trap to the main line. So while waiting for that, I would like to show one. This is a portable torch using an adapter to expel fire or flame for softening the pipe for easy manipulation. So you have here the button at the trigger gun, the trigger, and then at the end are the adjusting intensity of the flames to let the fire out of the can. So right now plumber is applying solvent cement, so which will then be connected to the P-trap, and then on the other side another coat of solvent cement, and another one also at the inner surface, the female surface of the main line. Then fitting the fixture, and then this will receive your floor drain. Always remember that floor drain should use P-trap, not elbow, because smell from the septic tank may get inside once P-trap is not used. This is very important, by the way. Okay, so this is the can. So they're using Atlanta for the solvent cement. Okay, so every section of the stub out should be constantly checked as to measure with reference to the fitting, or no, for the fixtures to be placed. And okay, the stub out shaft is now being cut. The slits being sliced at the edges is for the pipe to be closed once being put in place, just like this. No, they are being bent to avoid debris or foreign materials that would cause clog once the pipe stub out are placed upon the line. But this is just temporary, because once the plumbing fixtures are already ready for mounting, then this will be cut off and then connected to the main line. It also is important that you have to constantly check the slope. Since this is drainage, it must follow the 2% slope requirement for effective waste flow distribution. Okay, so later on that bend there at the top will be softened with a torch so that it can be bent down. Okay, plumber is about to apply heating on the pipe to make it softer. Nga ang uban pansakan man hinuog kuan sako simento kuan kayo ng kanang mga bago pa ba kasi kasagaran ana kana bang gikan sa helper ni kalit ka mason pa helpero ng plumbing awa na common gid ang sako simento, delikado ra ba kay nagmaklag ang pag repair ba
magbinuang isod idasok ba
naagid agi nga. Constantly checking if it's ready, soft enough to easily bend. Notice at the background are the different tools for a plumber to use, just hand tools to perform plumbing roughing in. So with a little manipulation and putting on some weights, the line is now safe and prevents foreign materials setting in to avoid occurrence of unnecessary unwanted clog. Okay, thank you.